How to transfer money from USA to Belgium on PC. Now, first of all, we will use Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees. Now, if you use the link below, you will benefit from your first $1,000 without any fee. Now, first of all, what you need to do, select your destination that you want to transfer money from. In this case, it will be United States. Now, after that, select your recipient destination that you want to transfer money to. In this case, it will be Belgium. So you don't find it here, you can type it in the search bar, as you can see. Now, after that, as you can see, you will be able to type it here. In this case, as you can see, the Belgium. So this is our destination recipient. Now, after that, you here enter the amount that you want to transfer. For example, $1,000, and click Get This Rate. Now, after that, log into your account. Now, if you don't find your recipient destination here, now just click here and type the recipient destination. In this case, it will be Belgium. And now, after that, click on Send the Money. Now, as you can see, this is the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, it will be $1,000. And as you can see, you can as you can see, to see the fee that you will pay. As you can see, this is it, and this is the recipient that you will receive. Now, after that, click on Continue. Now, as you can see, select your recipient bank. So select your recipient bank from here, or you can select Wise or any more options. So if you don't find here, or you can use also REFERRAL if you can. Now select your recipient bank, for example, Argentine or Argenta, and now enter the IBAN of your recipient bank. So I will enter the IBAN and click on Continue. Now after that, provide the recipient name. Now here, provide the recipient mobile number if you have it. If you don't, click on Skip. And as you can see, select Add New Card and click on Continue. And now provide your debit card info to be able to send that money to your recipient. So before going and transfer that money, make sure to double check your debit card info, and after that, click on Send Money, and your recipient will receive that money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Belgium on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.